Welcome back everyone to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to fix Google Business Profile not publicly visible. Firstly, check visibility settings. Log into your Google Business Profile Manager and go to the Info tab and confirm business hours are filled in and business category selected and no suspended or pending status banner is showing. Sometimes new profiles are harder to find by name alone. Try searching for your business using business name plus city or the exact address. And after verification, it may take a few days, sometimes 2 to 3 weeks for the business to appear publicly while Google reviews the listing. And certain businesses like online only or service area businesses don't get a visible pane on maps. Instead, they show in search results only within their defined service area. And finally, if it's been more than 3 weeks and still not live, contact support. Go to your Google Business Profile dashboard and click support, questions mark or help at the bottom left. Now choose contact us and business not showing on Google. Submit screenshots and your case ID. If you've opened support cases but get no resolution, reply to the support emails directly with your case ID to reopen them. Thank you guys for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.